Hi there guys, and welcome to the video I wasn't meant to be filming and posting today. This video was actually meant to be a wild stealth camping kind of video, but the van's decided that it doesn't really want to work. There's some sort of a fueling issue. It'll start for a couple of minutes and then die, and then I cannot get it started for love nor money. So we're going to try and rectify that today. But before we do, I do want to plug myself a little bit. I've got loads more of these t-shirts. I say more, I still haven't sold the ones I got from last time, and ideally I want to start making hoodies because it's hoodie weather now, like the one I've got on now. Same sort of back design as the t-shirt, but I need to get rid of these t-shirts first, so I'm going to be selling these. If you guys are interested, please drop me a message. I've got a couple of every size left, up to I think it's 2 or maybe 3XL. This one is a 2XL, but there's the front with a 1313 and then the half cut of the T4 at the back. If you guys are interested, please drop me a message. I've got lots of these. I want to get them sold because I want to start making hoodies, and I know quite a few of you guys want the hoodies. I'll probably end up selling them for like probably 12 quid delivered, 10 quid delivered. Probably do a tenner delivered, how's that? So if you guys are interested, please drop me a message. Buy yourself a t-shirt. There will be more of these coming out soon. It's just I really want to make hoodies. It's just I don't want to invest fully into hoodies when I've still got loads of t-shirts left. But enough of that. I'm going to get this thing where it needs to be, get the front end off, try and get the camera into the engine bay and film basically it trying to be normal. I've also noticed that there's like a steering problem. The steering pump's making an awful noise. I think I've got a steering leak. It's leaving little droplets everywhere, so I think it's either that or fuel, I don't know. But let's get the front end apart, get the camera in the engine bay, and hopefully you guys can see what I'm talking about. So let's go do that. Well, as you can probably see, actually it's all turned off and the bubbles that are coming out of it are awesome. I have also noticed that down here, if I can try and there's another sight window that sometimes has bubbles. So I'm not sure if that's got something to do with it. It doesn't look wet. Now, I have stuck it on a few of the groups and I've had a few sort of like, it's the return pipe from the injectors. I've checked all them, it's not them. It doesn't seem like it's losing any fuel from anywhere. I'm losing power steering fluid, which I'll show you in a minute. But I can't figure out what it is. So I'm going to fill this thing up with fuel and just check my sender isn't sucking air from somewhere, because I am on about 1/4 of a tank. And people do say from about 1/4 of a tank they can suck air, and it could be that. But I will fill it up with fuel, see if that resolves anything. But I have noticed I've been leaving little rainbows, and my power steering fluid is empty. Now, I don't know why, and I don't know where it's going, but I am definitely losing power fluid from somewhere. So I'm going to fill this reservoir back up, see if that does anything, because you can see where the fill mark is. It's right down there. And then I'm going to try and figure out where the power steering is leaking from. This is fantastic, just what I needed. So steering fluid and fuel, so I think we should go get that now. Well, as you guys have seen, I put some fuel in it. Put quite a bit of fuel in it, to be fair. And hopefully when we start it now, we're going to be able to see no air bubbles in that line. If it's that, then it's sucking air in from the sender unit, and then that's what the problem is. And I have put this on one of the groups on Facebook, the Just T4 page, and a few people have said the same thing, that if it's below quarter of a tank, then it could be the fact that it's sucking air in from the sender unit, and that's what's happening with that pipe. So I'm on about 3/4 of a pump. What? So I'm on about 3/4 of a tank of fuel. So set the camera up, start it up, see if we suck any more air. So that's all done. I put it back together again. It is chucking it down with rain, so that'll be the end of sort of me tinkering this for a little bit. Like I said, I did put it on one of the forums, and they did say that it could be that sender unit where it's low on fuel. So I filled it up with fuel. I did see there was a few air bubbles in the line, but I'm going to put that down to the fact that there might still be some air in the system from before. So I need to take it for a bit of a drive later anyway, and then later on tonight, I will be using the van again so I can test it properly. If it doesn't do it, then I know for a fact that it was the sender unit, and that's the problem. If it does do it again, I need to keep researching. So yeah, that's the plan really. I'll pick this video up again later. Like I said, this wasn't supposed to be today's video. I was going to go wild camping yesterday, but that went completely peaked on because this thing didn't want to work. So hopefully we can get this thing working, then we can go and do that probably next couple of days. Probably next week now, I would have thought. Yeah, so look forward to that. I know I am, if this thing will bloody work. And I didn't manage to get any .4 fluid, steering fluid, because the garage didn't have any, so I'm gonna have to go pick some of that up from somewhere else, and then put that in, then we can see where the leak's actually coming from. Sort of managed to get a few bits and bobs done, but kind of not really. I'm gonna pick this camera back up in a few hours and let you know if this thing starts or not, and what the problem is or possibly could be, or I don't know. See you in a bit. I felt like I should correct myself. It's not .4 fluid I need. It's just power steering fluid. I know I've been saying in most of this, my eye's gone weird. I know I've been saying in most of this video it's .4, it's just because I'm used to getting .4 because of brakes, but I got me some power steering fluid. Hopefully you guys can hear, but it's making a horrible grindy noise, so I'm going to fill it up with that, and then hopefully that'll solve the problem. But I reckon I got a leak, so at least that way we'll be able to find where the leak is. So let's get that fluid in. As you can see, I'm clearly leaking because there's little marks everywhere. So what I'm going to do, top this up. Hopefully you can hear me, but I'm going to top that thing up and then hopefully be able to see where that leak's coming from a bit better. Well, I've run out of fuel. I had a quick look, couldn't really see anything underneath, so I think what I might do is have a look at this another day. The steering don't feel notchy now. I have put the fluid in, turned it from lock to lock, and yeah, got the air out of it. So if anything, this is going to prevent the rack going bad, but I'm not going to look at it now because it's chucking it down. But the fueling does seem to be okay at the moment. Later on will be the test, so I'm going to wrap this up for now. I'll come back to you a little bit later on when it's been left for a good few hours. See if this does it again. And hopefully at least the fueling situation will be sorted. So, see you in a few hours. And that's the end of that. Been out for a drive in this thing. Waiting until it got proper cold of an evening because we are in the winter and it does get nice and cold of an evening, and started fine. Didn't do the normal thing of after a little while of it driving it dies off. It was fine. So I think I've got a problem with the fuel pump, or one of the pipes inside the fuel tank, because it seems to be all right now. I mean, if anything changes, I will let you guys know. I did fill up the power steering fluid, and it's now not notchy, making that horrible noise. So just to stop it from getting any worse or breaking or blowing up or anything, I am going to keep chucking fluid in there. As you can hear, it is actually raining, so I'm hoping it subsides in the next couple of days and I can get round to getting that done. Oh, and I'm going to be buying me something that this van is needed for a very long time, and it means that I can put some 4-inch Falconers back on here comfortably. So that should be here in the next few days, and I cannot wait. I've been waiting for these for a very long time. And a very nice guy on Instagram sent me a lovely message saying he wanted to sell me these, and he offered them to me at a price I couldn't say no to. So they should be here hopefully next week. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I don't want to sit here rambling. Fuel sorted, steering's bodged together for now. It's raining. I'm wearing different trousers. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling, get myself gone, get myself a cup of tea and get out of this weather. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and potentially learned something from it. I kind of have. I've learned that my fuel tank doesn't like to be under a quarter of a tank. If you guys have any questions, you know where I am, and if you're interested in a t-shirt, I'll put my Instagram on the thing, and it's always down in that comment section down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you very much for putting up with my dumb ass, and as always, take it easy.